morning, guys. We just finished breakfast. Today is our last morning in Killarney. We are getting ready to go to Galway today, but we have some really cool stops along the way, so I'm super excited. I'm actually in here just icing my lip right now. If you haven't heard that story, go check out yesterday's vlog or the day before that. I talk about what happened in the bar and what made my lip all bruised, swollen, bleeding, everything. So I'm just trying to deal with that today because we're gonna have a lot of pictures taken. I have been talking about this sweater being my favorite forever, so I just have on this I guess it's like a mustard colored yellow sweater. I have a long sleeve shirt under it so I don't get too cold. I also have jeans on, and then my red rain boots from Forever 21 again, and then my ice. So I'm just finishing packing up right now, and then I'm gonna go get on the bus. Today's gonna be a big bus day, but we're gonna see a lot of really cool stuff. So I will keep you guys with me, and I'm so excited. Okay, so our first stop this morning is for coffee. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but it's nice to get out and walk since we've been on the bus for like an hour and a half now. It is very sunny today. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's gonna be such a great day. I actually ended up buying stuff. So I got a pair of socks for St. Patrick's Day so that I can wear. Ah, that's the same spot I tripped on before. I'm just not paying attention. And then I got a Guinness t-shirt with Ireland underneath just because this is the first one I've really liked. So I'm back on the bus. The first stop that we're going on today, the Cliffs of Moher. Woo! I am so pumped that we have sun.
Yes, it's been raining majority of the time, and now it's finally sunny.
And people never get sun here, like never. Every time like one of my friends goes to Ireland and posts pictures, like honestly, it's all just like clouds and fogs, and they caption it something funny like, oh haha, there's supposed to be cliffs back here, but like we'll be able to see everything. I can't wait. It's gonna be very windy. Can't tell my hair already, but it's gonna be beautiful, and we have so much time here to like explore and stuff. And like we had a lot of time at the Blarney Castle the other day, but like we were planning on waiting in a line for 2 hours, and I'm not planning on waiting in the line for anything here, so we can just literally go and like experience it. Look at that bird. Okay, I'm super pumped. This is so crazy. It's so pretty here. I can't get over it. I haven't even had a chance to look at it yet because we just ran up a gazillion stairs to get up here. But it's gorgeous. So we've made it up to this castle. It's still an incredible view. I'm sorry, I feel like you can't see a lot of it on the GoPro just because it's such a wide angle. But that's okay. I just cannot get over the sun. Okay, so this is the first view I've really been like, whoa, over. This is an angle I don't usually see from the photos. I'm out of breath, it's so hilly here. I kind of ditched the group to go and do my own thing because this is just something I wanted to experience on my own, and like my heart is so freaking happy. Like, oh my goodness. And you can see the little town over there. It's gorgeous. There are so many people here.
You got a smoke on you.
But that's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I just met these super awesome girls who took some photos for me, and they're like the best angles. but it's so great here. So we've made it to the last place that we're able to go because we have to go back for the bus ride. But that does mean that we go get some lunch and then we get to take a boat and go down there and see it from a completely new angle. So I'm so excited. I love this. I really, really love this. Like, this is incredible. This is kind of the road we hiked up. It's so muddy down here, but we have to go all the way back over there somewhere. So I will update you guys from the boat. So we just had lunch. I had fish and chips. It's the Friday in Lent. I'm trying to be good. But we just got down here, I guess on the beach or the docks or something, and I think that over there is the boat we're gonna go and get on, and I am so excited. Just seeing this makes me so excited for all of this, but these waves look huge. Oh my gosh, we get seats! Are you guys so pumped? I'm so pumped. I can't wait. Perspective on where we were earlier, there's a castle way up there, and that's where we were, and we walked all along here. Start to rain, as you can see with all these speckles on the wind. Ah, this is really cool though, guys, come on. To see the cliffs. We're about to get on the bus for 2 hours and this battery's about to die, so I will just see you guys when we get to Galway. So I was totally just kidding. The next place you see us is not actually Galway. We're only like 20 minutes out from where we were before, but when you have stops like this, you literally can't help it. Like, this is gorgeous. Wow. once again, totally kidding about being in Galway next time I vlog, because our tour director, Laura, arranged for us to go and see baby lambs at this farm.
Guys, stay quiet. They will run away.
I might cry. Too bad though.
What, picking him up? He's getting a bottle. Oh my god.
Nice, you can take the look at this baby lamb. I can't, it's so cute.
Sorry, we did bye.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, my screen is so hard. I'm so sorry. Do you want to hold him? No. This is literally like the greatest day of my whole entire life. Like, baby lambs. They're so freaking cute. They're so precious. Hello. Hi, buddy. They're so cute. Okay, so that was right up there with seeing the cliffs today. 10 out of 10 would absolutely recommend. We're literally at his house with all of his little lambs, and my whole heart, that was everything. Oh my goodness, that was phenomenal. But I've decided that since its day has just been so long so far, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, because we're just gonna get to Galway and then go out to dinner, and then I don't think I want to go out tonight because St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. But that just means that you should subscribe to my channel so that you can see my St. Patrick's Day vlog once it comes out in Galway. It's going to be crazy. I'm so excited. So subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you like baby lambs, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.